The idea of a Toyota Prius outperforming traditional sports cars sounds impossible, but that may be exactly what Toyota is preparing for 2027. For decades, the Prius has been known for fuel efficiency, reliability, and practicality. It was never designed to excite driving enthusiasts. But now, rumors suggest Toyota is about to give its legendary hybrid a dramatic new identity. Imagine a Prius carrying the famous GR badge, producing serious horsepower, launching like a sports sedan, and delivering the kind of handling normally reserved for performance cars. It sounds unbelievable, yet the rumored 2027 Toyota GR Prius Performance Edition has already become one of the most talked about concept ideas among automotive fans. Even more surprising, there's one rumored feature that could completely change how people think about hybrid performance. And we'll reveal it near the end. Toyota has spent the last several years rebuilding its performance image through Gazoo racing. The GR Yaris became a rally-inspired icon. The GR Corolla proved hot hatches are still exciting. The GR86 continued offering affordable driving fun, while the Supra remained one of Toyota's most respected sports cars. After all those successes, enthusiasts naturally began wondering if Toyota would ever bring the GR treatment to a hybrid. At first, the idea sounded unrealistic, but the latest Prius changed everything. Its sleek design, low stance, and futuristic styling already make it look far sportier than previous generations. A true GR Prius would likely feature a much more aggressive appearance. Expect a redesigned front bumper with larger air intakes, lightweight alloy wheels, wider fenders, sporty side skirts, a rear diffuser, and a subtle spoiler to improve stability at higher speeds. Every change would be designed to improve both appearance and aerodynamics while giving the Prius a completely new personality. The biggest question, however, is performance. Although Toyota has not confirmed any official specifications, industry rumors suggest the GR Prius could combine a turbocharged engine with an upgraded hybrid system producing more than 300 horsepower. Instant electric torque, paired with gasoline power, could deliver surprisingly quick acceleration while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Some experts even believe the car could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds, placing it among genuine performance sedans. Toyota's advanced all-wheel drive hybrid system could also receive major upgrades. By distributing power intelligently between the front and rear wheels, the GR Prius could provide outstanding grip during hard acceleration and confident handling in all weather conditions. Unlike traditional gasoline cars that require higher engine speeds for maximum performance, electric motors deliver instant torque, making every launch feel quick and responsive. Handling is where Gazoo racing usually shines, and the GR Prius would likely benefit from extensive chassis improvements. A lower suspension, stiffer springs, adaptive dampers, larger brakes, sharper steering, and performance tires could transform the Prius into a genuinely entertaining driver's car. Toyota understands that true performance is not just about horsepower. It's about balance, precision, and confidence behind the wheel. Inside the cabin, expect sports seats with extra support, premium materials, red contrast stitching, aluminum pedals, exclusive GR badges, and a thicker steering wheel. A fully digital instrument cluster could display performance data, while multiple drive modes would allow drivers to switch from efficient daily commuting to a more aggressive driving experience whenever the road opens up. If you're enjoying this look at Toyota's most exciting hybrid rumor yet, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, because we'll continue covering every major automotive reveal and a future performance model. Now let's return to the mystery we mentioned at the beginning. The most exciting rumored feature isn't simply the horsepower or the aggressive styling. Instead, it's the possibility of an advanced battery cooling system designed specifically for performance driving. Most hybrid vehicles reduce power after repeated hard acceleration to protect the battery from overheating. If Toyota solves that problem, the GR Prius could deliver consistent performance again and again without noticeable power loss. That would make it very different from many current hybrid performance vehicles. Pricing will ultimately determine whether this ambitious project becomes a success. Most analysts expect a starting price between $45,000 and $55,000, placing it against established sports sedans while offering better fuel economy. Toyota's legendary reliability and everyday practicality If Toyota successfully combines aggressive styling, over 300 horsepower, advanced hybrid technology, and true Gazoo racing engineering into one package, the 2027 Toyota GR Prius Performance Edition could completely rewrite the story of the Prius. Instead of being remembered only as the world's favorite hybrid, it could become the car that proved efficiency and real driving excitement can finally exist together.